Fish! That light almost got you again.
I know.
There's a light. You know how you okay, you're getting off the freeway and then you turn and there's a light, right? You're still on the bridge.
Yeah.
That light, you always get it green and then it turns yellow on me and I haul at, and then by the time it turns red, he's still behind the light. I just saw his car go like a good fish. Let me see.
Couldn't take it off, man.
Wait, are you doing this one?
This one look good. Pinch pull, man.
Well, let's do it. Let me see.
Pinch your hand.
Let me see.
Bro.
Fishy, he's working out. He's been working out.
Oh, man.
He's Mr. Jim. Look at him.
I'm gonna put the jack over here, dude. Just.
Good. Look, I didn't even have to look for it.
Goddamn.
I think the bolt is this side right here. Huh?
Is this dude? He's a mobile
And then it has like a GPS or something. Alright, you're gonna have to hold the bolt.
Is that a 2JZ? Oh, 1JZ. This one's a turbo, right?
It's an RB30. No, that's the hoop.
I don't think that's safe.
What, being in there?
Mm-hmm.
No. I was gonna start my head off last time.
With the techie. And you ended up selling it.
Yeah, dude, that's true.
Jose, do you need help?
Whoa. Are you sure?
I need the picture.
Whoa. We're fucked, man, because you didn't get that shit out.
What's Pittsburgh?
Ooh.
Oh, I think I'm tightening it.
No, you're not. Listen, it was on loose. Damn, you were still tightening it.
Oh, man.
It's on loose now. Yeah.
That's what some of them guys I was tightening even more.
Alright guys, so this is what you do so that your whole brake.
This is not what you do.
This is what we do.
Or what not to do. It's like a 0% motivation.
And we cruised over to Jose's not that long ago, and he had already put on his wheel back. The car was already on the ground.
He already gave up.
His face was like, nope, I'm going to the shop. What are you guys talking about? What are you talking about, bro? He's like, I can't do it. I'm like, hold on, take this shit off. Took it off, wheels off, and look at him now. Putting on his coils. Saving himself a couple bucks.
Blackfish? It's like 480, probably. Like shit.
Always try things yourself, guys. Of course, not like doing a timing belt or taking off a transmission, but
Or Bondo.
hey, if it has screws, you guys are good. You guys can do it. Just remember which way you guys took off the bolt.
Oh yeah, guys, and if I think if you guys are gonna put on coilovers, I think you need 2 people. A fat guy to step on it, and somebody to do, I don't know what to do.
A skinny guy and a smart guy.
Alright. And a camera guy.
Damn, that's a whole crew right there.
You need someone to
You get on it.
Can I take it out?
Where is it? You gotta edit some of this shit out, dude. We can't be in this same spot for
Oh, I'm gonna put 1,000 years later. 1,000 years.
Keep jumping, bro. Where's that thing? Oh, there we go. Do one more jump. there, bro. Don't move.
Just a little bit more, man.
I'm getting the cramp. Fuck.
Shit, me too.
Alright, get out. Dude, my fucking hip was about to go right now.
I think I locked my legs. Can you need me to jump on it?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Alright, let it go?
No, hold on. You grab something to hold on to.
One more time, Fishy, one more time.
Nope.
One more time, Fishy.
Right here, fish, right here. Come on, dude. Right here. Grab it, grab it. Later, when you watch this video, you'll see.
This shit is almost out. Okay. So everything, look, everything's out the way.
All right.
Twist it this way.
All right. Do it, fish. Do it. Do it. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
All right. Hold on.
Back around. Come on over here. A lot of smoke. You can car show here or what? Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, you're almost there.
Both feet, both feet. Go.
Hey,
jump on it, fish. Jump on
my
it.
feet. Put my feet somewhere. I don't know where to fucking put it.
Right there, man. Right there. Yup. More.
One more.
Oh, you got it out. You got it out. You got it out. You got it out.
Look at this.
Can I open up?
Yo.
I already seen you guys from outside the window.
Good. We only got one off right now. Look at it.
Fuck up your wheels or you are staying at Avi's house. Yep. You hear me?
Sorry,
I'm
guys.
dead serious. You ain't coming in if you fuck up those tires.
The tires or the car?
Can I open up my present up there?
Have you been good?
Yes.
Does mom say you've been good? No? Yes or no? I'm gonna go to the house right now. I gotta go pick something up. Alright?
Okay.
Alright. This is the pointed bowl. These are pointed too, so what the fuck? It's the bigger pointed one. Fuckers. And then you gotta get in the hole. Alright, man.
So it took an hour to take off one.
Oh, it's just been an hour, man? That's it? I got plenty of energy left.
I wish I did.
It's been how long, fish?
An
15
hour.
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
A couple years later. I already got my NSX. Shu got a Skyline already.
Get the him, bro. You better have that wheel fixed.
Damn it, man.
Damn, what are you doing to your car, man? Look at that.
You know, man. Let me borrow the Pittsburgh.
You took off like this stuff, that stuff. You're using fishy as weight.
I'm about to see. Oh, shit. It's getting close, man.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Getting
Hey, get that GoPro out of there.
Alright.
You need a little bit more.
Let it settle, man. Let it relax a little bit, bro.
No, let's go lower.
Not
You need
right.
half an inch more.
Let's get the other side done, man.
Oh my god.
Let's get the other side
Let's
done.
do it right now.
Let's get
De
the
una
other
vez.
side done.
De una vez.
Hell no. You guys are gonna leave. I'm gonna have to do the whole shit.
Dude, this side's lower than the other side, man. Come on. De una vez. Let's do it. It only takes,
Let me
look,
do
let's
this
time it.
side.
Less than 5 minutes to do it.
Let me do this side. Put the other side on this side.
This guy got coilovers. He doesn't want to lower his car.
Hey, why is this side lower on this?
It is. I told you. Look, check it out, guys. Look at that. Let's go to this side. Look at this wheel gap. My whole hand fits in there. I don't get it.
Someday I might feel like overdue. Someday I might feel like Olivia.
Man, shit, I can go buy that shit right now, man.
Done. I'm going off the road. I think this shit right here is close to being stuck again.
Nah. Oh! There it is.
How many? 20 minutes, man?
A little bit longer than that.
30 minutes. Exactly. Hey. You better fix his wheel, man.
Dude, if my girl sees this and it looks like this...
Send her a picture, send her a picture.
Oh no, dude.
She'll come over and stop you?
That's a death wish right there.
FaceTime her right now and say you broke it.
If I'm like this, I'm like, dude, I don't know how to put this back together right here. Dude, the thumbnail right here.
Pero mételo.
Hey, how come the other one? How come the other one fit? This one's not fitting, man.
Because you gotta step on it.
I didn't step on the other one. The other one just went in.
But this one came out easy too.
Alright, I'm gonna put it in the holes first. Or no? I should lift it up, dude. There's like brains coming out of this shit right now, dude.
Have fun showering.
Alright, guys, we didn't make it to the beach last time. When are we gonna be? Thursday.
Thursday?
This Thursday.
I'll let you know when I'm off next time.
Thursday.
Why are you busy on Thursday?
I'm going to
Oh,
the
you're gonna go to the zoo. You're gonna go see the monkeys.
My family.
Hit me in that one right there.
Yup. No wheel gap.
Exactly the fitment.
And then with the meteor tires?
Yep, with some 45s, and we're good.